Hey guys, welcome back to SS Life Bites. Today we're at Cloud Forest and Gardens by the Bay. Imagine mist, giant waterfalls, and plants from tropical mountains. And it's freezing cold inside. Let's explore. Cloud Forest opened in 2012. It recreates the cool, moist environment of tropical mountains 1,000 to 3,000 meters high. Inside, there are over 30,000 plants from South America, Southeast Asia, and Central America. Tickets are $28 for adults. Kids, students, and seniors get discounts. Book online to save a few dollars. We got a couple ticket for $60, and it was pretty crowded. The moment we walked in, the cold air hit us. So much mist, and people everywhere. The first thing you see is the 35-meter-tall waterfall. Water crashes down from Cloud Mountain, and the whole place is filled with mist. It felt like a real mountain forest. The greenery was insane. Orchids, carnivorous plants, and trees that only grow in high mountains. Everything smells fresh and looks so green.
Rồi, anh chị. Rồi nhà mình ơi, gặp khủng long bạo chúa đi quý vị ơi.
We also found the big dinosaur in the Lost World section. It's huge, just standing there among the plants. So random, but so cool. Then we went up to the Cloudwalk bridge. The mist was everywhere, and you could barely see ahead. It felt like we were floating above the clouds, cold, foggy, and magical. Inside, there's also an art display with big white glass flowers floating on water under the glass roof. The sunlight makes them sparkle, and the reflection looks dreamy. The best part was the view from the top. You can see the whole cloud forest, the waterfall, and even Marina Bay in the distance. Such a cool contrast. Before leaving, we found the Dinosaur egg incubation station. There are 6 giant eggs in a glowing chamber with a touchscreen. Tap an egg, and you can see a baby dinosaur growing inside. Like an X-ray scan. Kids loved it.
Dạ đó là cái đấy.
We also saw a 3D effect display. Light and mist create images that look like they're floating in the air. It felt futuristic, like the clouds were coming alive.
How beautifully formed cameras. So do take your phones out of it. And what is, I'm not sure, they have a microphone of 8,000 newtons, which is as strong as a American alligator. So feel free to take your photos, but just a reminder, no flags for okay. Just to make sure that everything is secure. Okay, you stand down. Come on, you stand down, girl. Come on, stand down, you stand down.
Please be reminded that eating and drinking is not allowed in Mountain Waterfall.
At the exit, there's a big gift shop with toys. Souvenirs, dinosaur toys, plant keychains, and cloud forest mugs and bags. Perfect for a memory from the trip. After that, we went into Flower Dome. The vibe changes instantly. No more cold mist. Flower Dome is warm, bright, and full of color. It recreates a Mediterranean climate. We saw baobab trees from Africa, colorful tulips, sunflowers, and cactus gardens like a desert. The themed gardens change every few months, so there's always something new. It felt like traveling to 5 countries in 20 minutes. We shot this at night, and it looked even more beautiful. The flowers glowed with soft lighting. Reds, purples, yellows popping against the dark. So calm and romantic. We also found a traditional Balinese gong display in the middle of the flowers. 3 big golden gongs under a wooden shelter, surrounded by purple orchids. With the night lighting and mist, it felt like a little temple garden. And we found a musical instrument display too. Wooden bars and golden bells, set up with yellow flowers and greenery. At night, it looks so peaceful and traditional. Art and music meeting nature. And that's all about Flower Dome. While walking out, we got the biggest surprise. Oh my God, fireworks going off outside. It was a rehearsal for Singapore's National Day on August 9th. Watching the fireworks light up the sky, with gardens by the bay in the background. The most peaceful and beautiful ending to our vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one on SS Life Bites.
And that's it.